Good morning, everybody. Those who have already connected, please confirm one thing in written, whether my voice is coming clear or not. Because today fan is moving in the room, so maybe some humming sound will come, but still if the voice is clear, I will keep it opened. Okay. Khushiraj has confirmed that voice is coming clear. Okay, today, as I told earlier, that I will talk about plotting. I will start discussing about plotting the data using Python. But one thing, I was seeing the syllabus, then one thing I found that it is necessary to point out here itself. Though I discussed earlier, but that needs again a recall. So that I will point out first. And since you are working in a new environment, that is in PyPlot you are working, and in coming couple of days you have to work there itself. So it is necessary to know about it, and this is about using database. There is option in what I say, new syllabus also, along with Panda's description, that to import data and export data to the MySQL database. So first of all, I want to recall about that. And also, before this database, I want to discuss one more thing that I found there in the syllabus. So you also take a look of the syllabus. I am sending that to your end also. See here, let me Okay, at least something you can see. I'm reading. Here, Introduction to Python libraries, pandas, data structure series and data frame creation series by ND array dictionary, scalar value, mathematical head and tail, selection, indexing, slicing, data frame creation by different ways, text and CSV files, database creation, display, iteration, then operation of rows and column, add, select, delete, rename, head and tail function, indexing using labels. This is one Boolean indexing that I did not tell. Then joining, merging and concatenation. Then importing and exporting data from CSV files and data frames. In its second part, it is descriptive statistics and aggregation, max, mean, count, sum, median, mode, quartile, standard deviation, variance, then data frame operation, aggregation, group by, sorting, deleting and renaming, pivoting, handling missing data, में dropping missing values and filling missing values, and here import and export data between MySQL database and pandas. This part is there. So since I discussed this earlier, but I want to point out this once again, and let us see about it. But before that, let us take a look about Boolean indexing. And before that, let me find the names who are present, who confirmed. It is Khushiraj, Ananya, Samvek Jain, Gungun Bhadani, then Yusra Rizvi, Sakshi, Ankit Kumar, Safia Rahman, Hamira Faruqi, Priyanshu, then Ekta Kumari. यशस्वी आज नहीं है. और बाकी लोग पता नहीं कहाँ हैं, नहीं मालूम. ओके. So as last day I told about filters, it is applicable extracting specific columns from the data frame, means taking the subset of the given data frame. Then I discussed about query on the basis of criteria, the specific criteria. You are taking the subset of data from the data frame. In this sequence, there is one more procedure using which you can take the subset of data from the data frame. It is similar like query, almost same as query, but the name is different. It is not query, but it is called indexing. This is called as Boolean indexing. This process is used to extract data rows from the data frame on the basis of conditions specified it is much similar like query method. When a condition is given with data frame, then Boolean values are returned on that basis. For all the rows. Example, let me start from the beginning. Clear. Then Python 3, Python started. One more thing you will confirm that last day I wrote with a black background, and today I am writing again with a white background. Which one is clearly visible when you are seeing this, with black background or with white background? You will confirm. Accordingly, I will finalize. For this, there is, I don't know about the option whether this background can be changed to white or not. So this will appear as it is, but the screen where I write, that you have to tell which one is better. So we are here in this import pandas as PD. Import numpy as NN. Then df equal to PD read underscore CSV sales dot CSV. This data frame has been created. Now, if you write df Let us say I am writing here df dot region equals region equals central. See what comes. You are observing that this is coming where the central region is matching or not. In different regions, some regions are central, some regions are west, some regions are east. So accordingly, wherever the match is found, then the regions are coming. So you can write this example. Df dot region equal to central returns all the rows of the data frame with a value true, where condition is matching and false where condition does not match. Okay. Now see, suppose I write here df true. Df true. Directly it will not come. Okay, by df this is coming. Now if this is used with df, like suppose you are writing df dot region equals central. Now see, the result is coming with all central region, the rest are filtered. The rest are filtered out, they are not appearing. With something else you will see, then others also you can find. Region equal to west. Then you see all the west regions are coming. The rest are not coming. Here the command you are giving df dot region equal to west, the result is coming. Now, since this is a condition, you are free to add some others like or and also you can apply. For example, suppose you are writing df dot region equals west, and here and is given as ampersand, and df dot total is less than say 200. Two conditions are added. Now see here, okay, let me execute first. क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया? Cannot compare. Okay, maybe this is as a separate condition, so bracket is necessary. Actually, this Python anywhere works a little bit slow. That is why it is to wait a lot for even writing the command, giving bracket, and here again you give bracket. With minor differences, these all things are given. I think now it should work. See. Now see, in the previous part, let me give it without this also, then you can compare. See, the two are coming. Now see, here the total is 167, 63, 139, 825, 151 and 1139. Here when you are giving the condition df dot total is less than 200, then 167, 63, 139 and 51, only these four are coming, whereas 825 and 1139 are omitted. So matching these two conditions, you are having the result. So this way of working is called Boolean indexing. So let us write about it. This condition is given with data frame to extract rows matching the criteria. Example, df within a square bracket df dot region equals west returns all the rows having region field assigned as west. Multiple conditions can also be specified in Boolean indexing, जिसमें एग्जाम्पल df dot region equal central and df dot total less than 200. Note, it is necessary to specify the conditions within the pair of parentheses. And one thing I am not writing, this is logical operator. Just once I am taking this and pipe symbol is used as OR operator if conditions have to be combined with OR. So this is all about this. Now let us come to the works of database. I am closing this. Black background, okay. Connecting MySQL database to import export data in pandas. Yes, Priya Kumari. You people get benefit that even if you are appearing late, you can see the classes later on also. The same link is used to review the class, seeing the class again. Anyway, see, working in your personal computer is a different case. Means the MySQL and Python and its libraries installed in your local computer, that has a different way of handling. But this Python Anywhere has its own environment. So it has its own way of using, apparently similar, but some names and some IDs, some user IDs are there. Accordingly you have to work with. So let us see this Python Anywhere. Let me zoom it, then you can see it properly. See, when you are here, then in the top right corner you are seeing its menu. Come to its dashboard first. This is the main screen that comes from here. You open the console. Now I am coming to databases. Coming to databases. Now here it is to note down this part where my cursor is moving. This is the host name for connecting the database. For me, this is this. Here you will see on your computer screen also when you will use this. When you will click in the database, ये लिखा रहेगा use these settings in your web applications. Use these settings in your web application. Down to this, the URL is highlighted. So here my username is given Manish Gaya, and then mysql.pythonanywhere-services.com will be same. So instead of this, your username will be there. This is the host, remember. This will be the host. And then you have to create a database. I am suppose creating a database crane. Right. Crane database has been created. Now see here I am highlighting this. This is a rule in Python anywhere that this database name is preceded by username $. So here crane I have created, but my database name is Manish Gaya $crane. Others are others which I created for testing. So that when you will create, you will find your username $ written before the database name. And then to create a user for database, down to this you will find MySQL password. Suppose I am simply writing ABC. Again to confirm ABC. It may not take, let us see. Set MySQL password. ना 8 characters चाहिए इनको. Now A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have given set MySQL password. ओए क्या दिया जाए? P@$ $W0RD. P@$ $W0RD. In password, I have changed the characters. Set MySQL password. हाँ भाई अब हो गया. This I am zooming out and then I will show you the whole screen. This is the whole screen. You will see. Now this I am keeping. My user is Manish Gaya and this I am copying. Control C. Now coming to again Dashboard, nahi. Coming again to console. I have created a console for this also, but come to this console itself. This console is coming. I am quitting from this Python first of all. Quit, and I am writing MySQL dash U dash P. It is asking the password P at the rate $$ W0RD. P at the rate $$ W0RD. Enter. ओह क्या दिया पासवर्ड भाई. Maybe in this way it will not be connected. Let me check how the dashboard consoles. Maybe consoles will be set for MySQL. My one is already set. I am taking this. This MySQL console is directly coming. I am writing use gaya dollar crane. Database changed. Show tables. You are seeing no table is there. Create table. Let us say first name varchar, let us say 50, comma age int. Created. Show tables. You see first has been created, then insert into first values ABC 23, insert into first values XYZ 44. Select asterisk from first. You are seeing these two rows are coming that you have already worked. So online on your school server you were doing, but here on the server of Python anywhere you can do this. So at MySQL prompt you have done this. Now the same is to import in Python. Let me write this first so that you can recall all the things. In Python, the library mysql.connector is used to connect MySQL database in Python module to write import mysql.connector as CN the above command imports the connector library of MySQL as an object CN. यहाँ हम इंटरैक्टिव मोड में भी लिख दें इसको. I am writing, I have to change the console. See, here I am in MySQL console. I am going to bash console because in bash console I am using Python. Bash console I am going. Python 3 is started. Then I am writing import mysql dot connector as cn. I think you will spare 10 more minutes so that I can complete this. The scheduled time is over, but since I started 10 minutes, I had the plan to complete it within this. So just give 10 more minutes to me. This has been imported. After this, connect method of connector object is used to create a database connection. Example, let us say db equal to cn dot connect. क्या क्या लिखना है? होस्ट इक्वल टू database equal to user equal to password equal to. Now see here, अब थोड़ा बड़ा करके दिखाते हैं. This cn I have created. Now db equal to cn dot connect. Host equal to I am putting control V. I have to go back to the database console to see the address. This is taken copy, then going back to console. Control V. This has come. Now comma, database equal to Gaya dollar crane quotation close, then comma, user equal to comma, password equal to p @ $w 0 rd. This is closed, then bracket close, pressing enter, connected. So by DB, database has been created. Now again the next step is to create the cursor. Then it is, let us say cr equal to db dot cursor. Cursor has been created. Then execute the command on the cursor. Cr dot execute select asterisk from, what was the name? First, I think. Executed. Now x equal to cr dot fetch all. Contents are got, and pressing X will give you the result. ABC 23, XYZ 44. And here if you specify df1 equal to pd dot data frame X. अच्छा, मैंने इंपोर्ट नहीं किया था ना, दोबारा शुरू किया. Import pandas as PD, then df1 equal to pd dot data frame X. Now df1, when you will print, you will find the data frame has been created. So in this way you can import the data from the MySQL database tables to pandas. Once database has been created, you can use it in different ways. So that's all today. In front of you, I'm not writing the things on the board. Rather, I will complete right now with all these things, and then within a couple of minutes, I will upload both of those. At the same time, I have uploaded the syllabus also. You will refer it. Okay, thank you.